Hey, I'm Martin, and I help manufacturers to make great quality products. By investing in training programs to keep your team updated on the latest technology and best practices can lead to higher productivity and fewer errors. By implementing lean manufacturing principles can help you to reduce waste and improve the workflow efficiency in your factory. And then finally, by creating incentive programs to reward employees for productivity improvements and cost-saving ideas, because a motivated workforce can perform at its best. So, cutting costs on the manufacturing floor doesn't necessarily mean you have to compromise on quality or efficiency. By optimizing inventory management, improving energy efficiency, and enhancing workforce productivity, you can achieve significant cost savings and maintain high production standards. If you'd like to dive deeper into this topic, be sure to check out the full article on our blog. There you'll find more insights and valuable content to fuel your digital transformation journey. Take care.